There we go. Right, so question 3 about the binomial expansion. One of the terms in the binomial expansion of 4 plus ax to the 6 is 160x cubed. Find the value of a. Well, we might think that means we need to expand the whole thing and then find the term that fits, but we really don't. We only need the term that we're interested in. So 4 plus ax to the 6, there would be a load of terms to start with that we really are not that bothered about. There would be a 4 to the 6 term and then all the others. Somewhere in there eventually we would have ax cubed as being our term. And remember, the powers have to add up to the power of the bracket. So we're dealing with 6 here, so there must be 4 to the 6 in front of that. No, it mustn't, it must be 4 to the 3. We're dealing with 6, so 3 plus 3 is 6. Good adding up. And then the other term, the coefficient of this, if you want to write this as being 6c3, then that's fine. And you can work it out in your calculator. I think it's just as easy to think about the patterns there that mean that 6 factorial on the top and the 2 powers appear again on the bottom. So we've got that. And then there'll be other terms either side of it, but that's where we get to in a minute. And we're told that the thing that's multiplying x cubed in this is equal to 160. Well, the thing that's multiplying x cubed is 6 factorial over 3 factorial and 3 factorial, which if you work that through is 6 times 5 times 4, but that's 6, so it's 5 times 4, so that's 20 on that bit, multiplied by 4 cubed, and 4 cubed is 64, multiplied by, and this is the bit that we might forget, but it's all of ax that's cubed. So that's a cubed there is equal to 160. Is everybody happy with how we got that?
What happened to the x?
Well, the x we don't need to worry about because we're told that the coefficient is equal to 160x cubed. Now I could write x cubed on the end there and x cubed on the end there, but then I'd cancel them out. So we have to. It was the value of a that we're after. If we simplify this, I think if you divide 160 by 20 lots of 64, well, you end up doing 80 divided by 1/8 I think you get, don't you? Yeah? And so if a cubed is 1/8, a is the cube root of that. So a comes out to being half. Okay. The second part said using this value of a, find the first 2 terms in the expansion in ascending powers of x. So this is actually quite a straightforward second part of the question now. We've got that this is 4 plus half x to the 6. And using what we know about this binomial expansion, the first term must be 4 to the 6. The second term, and as I say, I don't mind how you're working this out. It is 6 factorial over 5 factorial, 1 factorial, because that's 4 to the 5 and a half x to the 1. But it doesn't matter how you arrive at this number. You could have done this by doing 6c5 or 6c1, or even by doing a quick Pascal's triangle until you get to the 4th row and recognising that you get, oh, not the 4th row, you need the 6th row, wouldn't you? Using Pascal's triangle, great. There we go. So that must have just been the number 6. It's no big deal to find it, is it? So we've got 4 to the 6, which is some number. thanks. And then we've got 6 times 4 to the 5 times a half of x, which is some amount. I think it's 3,072. And there it is. Do kind of get into practicing binomial expansion. I really, really like it. I think it's lots of fun. Do it in your own time. It's a recreational activity. Give up Xbox and start expanding binomial expansions. And that's the Math Day quote. You can stop the video now.